Hi boys and girls, it's Shane, and I am not wearing my steel toe flip-flops today, which means we're doing something probably dangerous. So safety scrunchie first. You always color coordinate your scrunchie to your shirt, an important safety feature. Today I'm going to be wearing my safety glasses. These are a little bit dirty. I think I'll clean them in a second. We're going to do 2 layers of gloves. These are some really thick nitrile gloves. Got about 3.5 weeks before people want to move into it. There's my buddy Shay. So what we're doing today, we have this old cast iron pipe here. This is the sewer pipe, so that goes to the toilet, and it's all wonky looking going up there. We're going to fix that. But this cast iron pipe goes about 25 feet straight up to the roof, maybe 30 feet, and weighs several hundred pounds, and it's all held up by all of this 4-inch cast iron pipe that goes this way. We've currently got a jack on this, and it's going through the outside of the house there. So this stuff needs to go and get replaced with some modern PVC. So we've got a jack supporting some of the weight here, and a jack supporting some of the weight there. That's not going to be enough to hold that, because if you can imagine hundreds of pounds stored vertically in very, very extremely brittle, heavy metal, that's going to come straight down toward the ground at very high speed if we're not careful. That's what makes this dangerous. Okay, so we're going to put this eye bolt through here. This is going to become the key to this whole operation, I think. I want it nice and tight.
Don't we all?
I love you, Shay. You're such a good guy.
Tell your audience.
He's a good guy. All right. This is some 550 paracord. That means it's 550 pound tensile strength. I'm probably going to go ahead and go back and forth on it 2 or 3 times to triple that number. It's important you know what you're doing with the knot if you're going to suspend anything overhead or suspend a person above the ground. Make sure you know what you're doing. It's very, very dangerous. You're not just going to loop it around and tie it, because if that knot fails, this whole thing comes down. So we're going to do this right. So the plan is Shay's going to have one side, I'm going to have the other side. We've got these 2 lines. We've got it tied around this big joint here that should hold it together. We pull from either side and we slowly let it down gently towards the ground. What could go wrong? Oh yeah, this is going to be fun. Isn't that yummy?
Good stuff.
Let me give you a guy a close-up of is inside your sewer pipes. Yummy. Give me $1 to drink that.
One shot, one.
This has a crank, so as he turns it, it's like a big screw. It puts upward pressure on that pipe. Got bigger, almost gone. There it goes. Careful. Jack stand held. How much do you say that weighs?
150, 200 pounds, maybe one more.
That was underneath a toilet.
Here's a neat trick. I know you guys probably know so much about ropes, but a lot of people will do something like this.
Right.
And this will actually pinch your hand, burn it. So I always take a bite, and then you still get plenty of grip. And if you have to let go, you know, fingers are worse off than people.
Yep.
Okay.
I think it's the rubber that's holding it right now. took my hand with it.
What'd you say?
I had it in a loop, dude. It was the distance between that and there was not long enough, so it got all the way up in there.
Oh.
So,
You okay?
yeah, I'll be all right. Ooh.
Well, it broke its fall.
Yeah, I did. Ooh. I'm glad we slowed that down because
Yeah,
that would
that
have
could have been ugly.
That would have busted the concrete on the way down had you not.
It's a nice axe kick, hook kick combination, whatever you did there.
Yeah. So that's 550-pound test rated paracord. Just broke that.
Where did it break it? Did it hit the ground and it's cut it?
Oh no, that's because if it cut, it would have gotten the fibers too. That's.
Huh.
Yeah.
On your side? Yeah, it was on your side that broke.
Yeah, well, I was pulling against it, and it brought me all the way up there to with my hand, and it broke at that point. Developed enough speed.
Okay, no fingers,
Yep.
no blood.
We're okay. Safety gloves.
Fill this in, or are you gonna?
I'll come
that
back.
shit?
We can.
I got it.
See if I can let her go down slow. All right.
Got it.
I'm trying. Let's not get as much weight on it now. So we got new water line, no more of that galvanized. We got new sewer line coming in because landlords, you need to do better with your houses than y'all been doing. I hope we can set a better standard for. This is what the water was going through in this house. If you've never seen this before, this is a galvanized pipe, and see how very little space there was for the water to pass through that. Landlords, take this stuff out of your houses. Make your lives better for your tenants and everybody else. You guys need to do better.